everyone, my name is Sam and today we are here to clear some rubbish. Why? Because I'm an ocean hero. So we love you guys to come over to Penang because I was born and raised in Penang. Penang is a very beautiful island. I want you to leave something behind, which is good memory but not rubbish. So let us together be the ocean hero, save the ocean.
Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. Get up on your feet. Show me you got soul. The way you like it. So good, so fresh. Get up on your feet. This is a shakedown.
Generally, our commitment between our collaboration of Hatta Dolmat coming along together to have the support from the Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture. What we have in mind is actually this idea came through when we discussed together with Hatta and the team as well, that we brought up the Oceanus campaign. Particularly is because we want to emphasize the sustainable conservation. Hence, at the same time, the commitment that we wanted to pull through is actually to also, mention and also keep growing this movement all together and bring it on to more people. The elements of this that we will actually bring along is actually to tell, not just domestically within our local Malaysia, but we hope that it also will reach out to the international market as well. Most importantly is during this time, we want to talk about sustainable conservation altogether. It's because the idea that we have brought in is actually how we are able to garner through the waste management solution by actually the overwhelming of plastic pollution that comes along. How are these plastics are able to fabricate to become fabrics and of course turn into Hatta designs as well.
Hatta macam suka mementingkan, selalu menekankan isu alam sekitar sebab ini adalah satu kepentingan yang perlu dipentingkan oleh semua lapisan masyarakat daripada kanak-kanak sampailah ke pelbagai lapisan masyarakat. Saya terpanggil sebagai seorang manusia yang sukakan alam sekitar dan memasukkan elemen fashion Hatta, sustainability untuk memahamkan semua masyarakat Malaysia, sesiapa saja di luar sana boleh melakukan sesuatu untuk pembaikan ataupun pemelihara alam sekitar kita. Bukan saja mereka fashion, sesiapa saja di luar sana di peringkat pelbagai lapisan umur.
Next stop at Pangkor.